So guys, first welcome to my channel and come to this website gigabyte.com. This is officially website, so you can download and driver. You can check your motherboard warranty and all. Then you can see here search button and paste your type your model number which is required, the driver B850M Eagle WIFI6E ICE, and then hit enter. Then click to product. Then click on the title which is model number. Then click to support. Then guys, select your operating system which is you using. If you have Windows 10, no worry about that. You can see this video and follow the installation process almost same, almost 100% same. So LAN driver, Realtek LAN driver, and click to download. Then it is downloaded. Just single click to open, which is LAN driver. Double click. Then click to yes. Now this is installing. So it will close automatically, means it is done. Wait few seconds. So guys, it is close, means done.